I think 30 seconds is not enough for me to tell you how big of a support system my mother is, but what I can say is she has been the biggest support system for me throughout my life. Whenever I've been in a problem, she's always come up to my side, always held my hand and told me that, we'll figure this out. And even if we're not able to figure this out, we'll try a different path or we'll go a different direction. And, if something major happens, that it's not the end of the world. That is something I have learned from my mother, to get out of the worst possible situations with the style that she does. And so, yes, happy Mother's Day, Mom. I love you.
Well, my mother has always motivated me to go get what I want. She's always been somebody who's been behind me through every major decision I had to take. She always says that if it excites and scares you at the same time, then you should definitely go do it. So I believe my mother would always be and has always been my biggest support system, because she's somebody who's never stopped me from trying different things, trying new things. In fact, she's always pushed me. So yeah, I feel she is one of the most important people for me in my life and the way that I've lived it so far, and will continue living it for sure.
माई मदर इज़ माई सपोर्ट सिस्टम. वो ऑलवेज मेरे साथ खड़ी होती है. जब भी मैं किसी सिचुएशन में स्टक होती हूँ तो वो हमेशा एक पिलर की तरह मेरे साथ खड़ी रहती है. मेरे सपोर्ट सिस्टम के लिए सजेशंस मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. और जहाँ भी कहीं मैं लो फील करती हूँ या मैं बीमार होती हूँ, मेरी मदर मुझे ऑलवेज कॉल करके पूछती हैं. उनको समझ में आ जाता है कि हाँ, मेरे डॉक्टर किसी न किसी प्रॉब्लम में है. सो शी इज़ माई सपोर्ट सिस्टम.
माई मदर, she is my best friend. She knows everything about me and she supports me with everything I have made in my life. All the decisions, फिर चाहे वो मेरी पढ़ाई के regarding हो, where I have to study, it is about who the friends I'm making, या फिर मेरे career goals को लेके. She always supports me with every decisions I have made. So she's my best friend.
You know how they say you realize the value and the worth of all good things in life when they are a little far away from you. The same thing has happened with me with regards to my mother, and I recently moved away from home, and now it is when I realized how big of a support system my mom has been for me, and how I'm dependent on her for every smallest and every biggest thing in my life. When we're with our moms, we're constantly see ourselves fighting about something or the other, or arguing with them over little things in life, and it's only when they're not around you is when it hits you how much you need them, and how much you're dependent on them. So this Mother's Day, I just want to send out this message to everyone that do not take your mothers for granted. Make sure that you really cherish them and realize their value and their preciousness every moment that you spend with them, because it really sucks to be away from your mom. And I wish this Mother's Day I could celebrate with her, but I'm so glad that we have this day, and like every other day, we should be celebrating mothers. And mine is 100% my biggest support system, and I feel I can say that for all of us here. So happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there, and hey mom, I love you so much.
मेरी मदर ने मुझे आगे बढ़ने के लिए सपोर्ट किया, मेरी स्टडीज़ में, मुझे बाहर जाने के लिए, मुझे मेरे फाइनेंशियल एंड करियर ग्रोथ में उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प की. एंड आई लव माई मदर, शी इज़ माई बैकबोन.
हैप्पी मदर्स डे. मदर इज़ ए सपोर्ट सिस्टम, और सबकी मदर ही ऐसी होती हैं, और मेरी मदर भी ऐसी हैं. जब मैं खुश होता हूँ तो वो पहले समझ जाती हैं, जब मैं सैड होता हूँ तो वो और पहले समझ जाती हैं कि क्यों सैड है, नहीं है. तो शी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मी, और मेरे लिए वो एक दुनिया है, और उनके लिए मैं